Want to share audio during a Google Meet presentation? Whether you're playing a video, demonstrating an application, or sharing music with your audience, Google Meet lets you include computer audio while presenting. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share audio on Google Meet in 2026. So let's get started. First, join an existing Google Meet or start your own meeting. Before sharing, open the website, presentation, or video that contains the audio you want others to hear. Having everything ready beforehand makes the presentation much smoother. Next, click the Screen Share button at the bottom of the meeting window. You'll see several options for sharing your screen. Choosing the correct option is important if you want participants to hear your audio. To share computer audio, select a tab or Chrome tab, depending on your browser. Then choose the tab that's playing your video or audio content. Sharing an individual browser tab is the recommended way to include system audio in Google Meet. Before clicking Share, make sure the option to share tab audio or include audio is turned on if it's available. Then click Share to begin presenting. Take a quick look to confirm the audio option is enabled. Now play your video or audio. Participants should be able to hear the sound directly through Google Meet while also seeing your shared content. You can ask someone in the meeting to confirm that the audio is coming through clearly. When you're finished, click Stop Presenting to end screen sharing. Google Meet will return everyone to the normal meeting view. So, you've successfully shared audio during your Google Meet presentation, and that's how to share audio on Google Meet. Using the browser tab sharing option helps deliver clear sound while presenting videos, music, or other media. Checking the audio option before you begin can save time and prevent troubleshooting later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.